how to add the Google Photos, your memories widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. After that, we go down, then tap on Widgets. Now in here, scroll down, and then tap on Photos. After that, go down, and then drag on the Your Memories widget and drop it onto the home screen, and then let go. Here, choose a frame style, and from here you can also expand to make your frame larger or smaller. Here I can move it up like that. And that is how you can add in the Memories Google Photos Memories widget to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.